Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, December 11, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayon Thursday, December 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong December 11, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, December 11, 2025. Here are the Tunes jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Super Lotto 649 for November 11, 2025 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for Thursday, December 11, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.